Hi everyone. Today our topic is application of trigonometry exercise 12.2. Look, these like word problems how to solve. There are some conditions. First you read the total problem and find the facts what given in the problem. Facts means conditions, numbers like, and at last find the height of the tower and the width of the road. This also a fact. Understood? Now question. A TV tower stands vertically on the side of a road. Listen. A TV tower stands vertically on the side of a road. There is a road. TV tower stands vertically on the side of the road. From a point on the other side, directly opposite to the tower. Directly opposite to the tower from a point. The angle of elevation. Elevation means above. Depression means below. The angle of elevation of the top of tower is 60 degrees. Look like this. 60 degrees. From another point 10 meter away from this point to 10 meter away. 10 meter away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. This elevation angle is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. We must find the height of this tower and the width of the road. Total width of the road. Understood? Okay. Now, height of the tower is AB. Got it? Height of the tower is AB. Width of the road B to D. From D point to B. This is the width of the road. Distance between two observations C and D is CD. C and D. First observation. From this observation 10 meters away. Second observation D. These two observations distance is 10 meter. Now here formed a right angle triangle. Let take ABC, only this triangle, ABC. Here angle 60 degrees given at point C. So you observe from point C, tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, AB by BC. Tan 60 is equal to theta besides 60, AB by BC. What is the value of tan 60? Root 3. Here I written 1 in the denominator place. If you write 1 or not write 1, both are same. Root 3 by 1 is equal to AB by BC. Cross multiplication. AB is equal to BC root 3. This is the first equation or first condition. With the help of this first observation formed triangle, we found one condition. In this way, from triangle ABD, the biggest triangle, another point from D, tan 30, see this triangle ADB, this big triangle, tan 30 from here, opposite side by adjacent side, opposite side AB by adjacent side BC. Tan 30 how much? 1 by root 3. Now AB by BD or BC plus CD or CD plus BC all are same. From B to D is equal to DC plus BC. Both are same. For that sake, BC plus CD. 1 by root 3 AB by BC plus CD cross multiplication BC plus CD EAB root 3. This is the second equation or second condition. For ABC triangle also height AB and ABD triangle also height AB. In both triangles height is same. The height of tower is same for both the triangles. Same target observation target point is same for both points of observations. For that sake, first equation is equal to second equation. First equation how much? BC root 3 is equal to second equation BC plus CD by root 3. Now this root 3 doing here multiplication, send is equal to that side. It will go to do division. Root 3 into root 3 whole square. Square and root get cancelled. Now BC plus CD by 3. Look, this 3 denominator remaining na, send this 3 is equal this side. Then 3BC is equal to BC plus CD. 3BC is equal to BC plus CD. This plus BC send is equal to this side. Plus BC minus BC. 3BC minus BC is equal to CD. In 3 times BC minus 1 time BC means 2BC is equal to CD. BC is equal to CD by 2. CD, what is this CD? Given now from first point to another point, the distance 10 meter, that is 10 by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 5 are 10. This CD BC length 5 meters. BC is equal to 5 meters. Now width of the road from B to D or D to B. Width of the road is equal to BC plus CD. BC we found 5. CD given in the problem 10. Total width of the road is 15 meter. Height of the tower AB is equal to BC into root 3. BC we found before 5 root 3 meters. Okay. Listen one more time. Now second problem. A 1.5 meter tall boy. Here 1.5 meter tall boy. He is looking at the top of a temple. This AB is the temple. This boy, his eyesight at point P. He is looking the top of the temple, which is 30 meter in height from a point at certain distance. 13 meter height from one exact point. This height is 30 meters. The angle of elevation. Elevation means above the horizontal line. Depression means below the horizontal line. Eyesight below the horizontal line. Okay. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the crown of the temple increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees. When he observed, at that time his eyesight line to horizontal line angle is 30 degrees. Again another time when he observed, angle is 60 degrees. How it change means, this observer boy, he walking towards the temple. He is going near the temple. First time 30 degrees, second time 60 degrees. Find the distance he walked towards the temple. How much distance he walked from first point to second point. Understood? In this diagram, AB is the height of the temple. PR is the height of the boy or height of the observer. Okay. This angle, when he observed first time, that angle is 30 degrees. When again after he walked, that time angle is 60 degrees. Now answer. Height of the temple AB is equal to 30 meters. Height of the boy PR is equal to 1.5 meters. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the temple APC is equal to 30 degrees. APC, first time angle, elevation angle 30 degrees. Second time elevation angle is 60 degrees. Okay. From figure, AC is equal to AB minus BC. This AC from his eyesight horizontal straight point C to height. Okay. AC is equal to total length AB minus height of that observer. AB minus BC. AC is equal to 30 minus PR. PR is equal to BC, both are same, 1.5 meters. This difference is 28.5 meters. Now ACQ, this small triangle, ACQ, this small triangle, second time observation elevation angle ACQ, we get tan 60 is equal to, tan means opposite side by adjacent side, AC by QC. AC 28.5, total 30 meters. In 30 meters, height of the observer remaining is 28.5 meters. By QC we don't know. Now tan 60 0 1 by root 3 1 root 3, tan 60 value root 3. For our better understanding, I written here denominator place 1 to do the cross multiplication. QC into root 3 is equal to 28.5 into 1, 28.5. QC equal to 28.5 by root 3. That's all. To remove this root 3, we must rationalizing the denominator with root 3. Root 3 by root 3. Denominator root 3 into denominator root 3 whole square. Square and root get cancel. Now 3 1 is 3, 3 9s are 27, 1 is remaining and this 5. Same point place point, 3 5s are 15. QC, the adjacent side of small triangle, is equal to 9.5 root 3 meters. Same in this way, now we are going to take this big triangle APC. First time he observe elevation angle 30 degrees, that angle APC, tan 30 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. AC by PC is equal to AC value we had 28.5 by PC. Tan 30 0 1 by root 3. Tan 30 1 by root 3. Again cross multiplication. PC1 is PC. 28.5 into root 3. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. Beside I written. Okay. Now, the distance walked towards the temple is PQ. The distance towards the temple, he moved from point P to Q. PQ is equal to PC minus QC. This PQ distance is equal to total distance, what? PC minus, if you subtract QC, you will get a PQ. PQ is equal to PC minus QC. We had the value PC where? Here. PC and the value QC. PC 28.5 root 3. QC 9.5 root 3. These both are same, like terms. Root 3. So 28.5 minus 9.5. We got a difference 19. 19 root 3. Root 3 value approximately 1.732. 19 into 1.732 is equal to 32.908 meters. This is the distance he walked towards the temple from first point to second point. Okay. Now third problem. A statue stand on the top of A 2-meter tall pedestal means what? Any one statue stands 2-meter tall pedestal. This is the a stand to place a statue. Understood? Okay, this is called a pedestal. A statue stands on the top of a 2-meter tall pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. Now we think that BC is the height of pedestal and one observer at point P. His elevation angle is 60 degrees. He observed a target statue top point A. This is the statue top point A. Observer, he observed with the angle 60 degrees elevation angle to the top of the statue at point A. The angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. This observer 2 times he see different angles. First time the top of statue, second time the top of pedestal. Okay, from observer to top of statue 60 degrees, from observer to top of pedestal 45 degrees. Again here 2 triangles are formed. APC one triangle, BPC another triangle. Now let the height of the statue AB, this is the height of the statue H. Assume that height of the pedestal BC, this is the stage to place a statue pedestal BC is equal to 2 meters. Triangle BCP, this small triangle, the height of pedestal, observer elevation angle is 45 degrees. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side BC, adjacent side PC. BC by PC. BC how much? 2. PC, the adjacent side, we don't know. The bottom of pedestal and the observer distance we don't know. PC. Tan 45 how much? 1. With the trigonometric table, tan 45 degrees gives 1 is equal to BC 2 by PC. You send this PC is equal this side, then PC is equal to 2 meters. We found the value of PC 2 meters. Again, triangle ACP. ACP, now this time big triangle. We get tan 60 degrees. This elevation angle from observer to top of the statue 60 degrees. Now tan means opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side AC, adjacent side PC. Tan 60 value √3. For our understanding, I written denominator 1 is equal to AC by PC value 2. Do the cross multiplication. AC 1 is AC. 2 into √3, 2 √3. Now we got the value of AC. This AC means the height of statue including pedestal. Now the height of statue AB is equal to, this is AC total height, pedestal height plus statue height, minus BC means pedestal height. We are subtracting total height minus pedestal height. 2 √3 minus 2. This is first term, this is second term. In both terms 2 is same common. So we are taking common 2 outside. Now remaining √3 minus 2, 1 is 2. Now 2 into √3 value 1.732. Right here √3 is equal to 1.732 minus 1. 1 minus 1 0.732. 2 into the product of these two numbers 1.464 meters AB. What is this AB? Height of the statue. Completed third one also. Now fourth one. From the top of a building, from the top of a building, assume there is a building